Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Bring you another quote to help try and kick-start your day. And here are those words of wisdom. Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start being positive about what could go right. Stop! Just stop being afraid. You don't know how this will work out, do you? Stop putting the bad stuff as the headlines and imagine all the good stuff that could happen when you get this thing you want up and running. Think positive, and positive things will come your way.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.